Today we're checking out the 2026 Peugeot Pulsion Evo 125, a compact but bold urban GT scooter that's designed to make city life easier and a lot more stylish. It's the latest evolution of Peugeot's urban commuter lineup, and it's got that signature French flair, clean lines, sporty bodywork, and the instantly recognizable LED lion claw lights that give it real road presence. It's available in two versions too: the sport model with a short smoked screen, and the urban variant that adds a tall windscreen and a practical top case for daily convenience. Design and practicality. The Pulsion Evo keeps practicality high on the list. You get a 45-liter underseat storage compartment that easily swallows a full-face helmet, plus a digital cockpit that's crisp and easy to read. It comes standard with ABS, LED lighting all around, and wide, stable wheels that make city commutes smoother and safer. Peugeot's attention to detail really shows here. It's a commuter scooter that looks premium without feeling too bulky or overdone. Engine and performance. Underneath, the Evo 125 carries a liquid-cooled 125cc single-cylinder engine that makes about 13.2 horsepower and 12 Nm of torque. It's not a rocket ship, but it's perfect for city use, quick off the line, confident at intersections, and capable of reaching up to 115 km/h on open roads. The 11.1-liter fuel tank gives it an impressive range of roughly 440 km, which means fewer trips to the gas station and more time on the move. This scooter really nails that balance between performance and efficiency. Ride and handling. When it comes to handling, Peugeot designed the Pulsion Evo to feel planted and predictable. It's got a 37mm telescopic front fork, twin rear shocks, and 14-inch front 13-inch rear wheels, all tuned for everyday comfort. Whether you're slicing through traffic, cruising on longer routes, or carrying a passenger, it keeps the ride smooth and composed. It's not just stylish, it's built smart for real-world riding. Pricing and market position. Now let's talk price. The rumored Europe price for the new Pulsion Evo 125 is around €5,000, which puts it in the compact GT scooter segment, more premium than a basic commuter, but still below the big maxi scooters. In the Philippines, if with local CKD assembly, the price could fetch to around 190,000 to 210,000 pesos, more premium for its European style, but still practical for daily commuting. If you're in India and if Peugeot arranges local assembly CKD production, Indian prices could be somewhere into the 300 to 420,000 rupees bracket, but that depends on local manufacturing decisions, taxes and dealer strategy.